About 3 hours. That's how long it takes me to stitch a radio strap, which is a belt, about 60 inches long. But let me explain that for a little bit. First, we have to establish what type of tools I'm using, specifically the pricking irons. These are the KS Blade 5.4 millimeters stitching iron, pricking irons. And what that means is the space in between each teeth, are 5.4 millimeters wide. As you can see, it's 5.4. And what this means basically is that I have 5 stitches per inch. That's what this tool will yield, about 5 stitches per inch. Now, if I move along really fast, I can stitch 1 inch in about 1 minute. If I lollygag, take my time, I can stitch 1 inch in about 2 minutes. Split the difference, you're looking at 1.5 minutes per inch. At 60 inches long, which is standard for a belt, it's about 1.5 hours per side. So because you have to stitch one side and then run it back on the other side, this is essentially 3 hours. Now, if I hustle, I can do it about 2 hours, 15 minutes. If I'm just taking my time, 3 hours. That includes punching the holes. So that time frame that I gave you includes me actually punching the holes. And the way I do it, you can look at my playlist, is that I pre-punch all my holes first on the flat surface before I do anything. I pre-punch all the holes, and that takes me about 15 to 20 minutes to pre-punch all of this, okay? This is about a 16-inch strap. Yeah, so long story short, in summary, to do a belt takes me about anywhere from 2 hours and 15 minutes to 3 hours. That equates to about 1 to 2 minutes, split the difference, about 1.5 minutes per inch, using pricking irons that are 5 stitches per inch. And a little side note here, the thread that I'm using on this right here is gonna be the Ritza Tiger thread. This is 0.8 millimeters, and I think 0.8 millimeters pairs really nicely with 5 stitches per inch at about anywhere between 12 and 15 ounces of leather. I think that sits really nicely. But let me show you the thread itself. I don't know, is it me, but do you guys put your Ritza Tiger thread in a bag as well? Let me know in the comments below. I feel like this will maintain the wax on there. I don't know why, but I do that. It feels safer. But this is the Ritza Tiger thread that I'm using on this project. This is the dark gray, and I'll put a picture of the nameplate that's gonna go on this. It's gonna be really sharp. It's gonna be the gray to black nameplate, as you can see here in this overlay here. That's gonna look really sharp, in my opinion. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys, just a quick video. Actually, this is just an excuse to make a video, because I have nothing really going on. I have 4 orders I have to do, but I'm waiting for some leather to come in, so that's not gonna get until the middle of next week, Lord willing, and then that's it. But I might be working on some other side projects, like offering a standard radio strap or standard suspenders, and I'm still thinking about that. Let me know what you think about that below. And what I'm leaning towards is offering only natural vegetan, because one of the main reasons why I put natural vegetan on the back of this is so that it doesn't bleed, because a lot of people that buy this are officers that wear white shirts, white Class A's or whatever, and we don't want bleed on there. And I'd hate to dye a leather and then have some bleed on their uniform. So I'm thinking of offering only the standard, which is just one thick piece of leather, and also offering it in natural vegetan. By the way, this is natural vegetan, my shop suspenders, and this is what it'll look like after you wear it a little bit. So this actually turns into like a light brown. It's actually really nice. It's kind of a classic saddle look. So I know it comes in pale when you first get it, kind of like this. this will patina into this if you give it time. Okay? So anyway, just let me know what you think about that. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Bye.